What's up guys?
Alright
Ini
people,
kawan saya.
welcome to my channel. My channel is Aceh Atau Musafir. Alright, today I am with my friend. His name is Miss Wardy. Now I'm the rooftop, you know that mall in Medan. But you know, today I would like to promote African like Europe, United States, United Kingdom, and then Africa, Australia, and then Asia. Because Indonesia very awesome country, very wonderful country, anything about that. But if you want to come to Indonesia, don't forget to stop by in Sabang or Banda Aceh or Medan or Bukit Lawang, because you couldn't find like this country very awesome, and then this country very totally beautiful. But if one goes somewhere place different in your life, like Bali, and then Yogyakarta, and then Sabang Island, you couldn't find your life, you couldn't play with the fish, and then turtle, and then anything about the sea on the sea very deep, and then you can diving, and then you snorkeling there. Don't worry, I will waiting for you. Alright, my spin up. Don't forget to come Indonesia, especially in Aceh or Sabang Island. Tetap